Oh yeah, so we've got one honeybee in Ireland and then we've got 101 wild bee species. So it's the wild bee species that are in difficulty. So it's the 101 wild bee species that are threatened with extinction. And actually, I didn't say, but we've also been looking at whether the common wild bees that we have, so our bumblebees that you see every day of the week in your garden or in the park, are they doing okay? And honestly, they're really not. So it's the wild bees that are in difficulty. The honeybee is a managed pollinator, so it's kept by beekeepers, really important as a pollinator, but it's not in decline. If you want to keep bees, by all means do. If you want to have that as a hobby, if you want to have your own honey, absolutely, do that. I would say if you're going to do that, just make sure that you engage with the local beekeeping association because it's really important that you keep healthy honeybees. Otherwise, that disease can spread from them to other honeybees, but also to wild insects, including the wild bees that are in such difficulty. And also, if you are doing it, I just encourage you not to keep too many hives because if there's too many honeybees in the landscape, they can compete for food with those wild bee species that are in such difficulty. There's 50,000 honeybees in a hive. That's a huge number. If you imagine that, then in an area competing with those bumblebees or the solitary bees that can't fly as far often and might not be as flexible in terms of the different flowers that they can eat. So it's just important that we balance the two together.